Hello and welcome to another ScandiPWA weekly community session with merchants. It's Thursday, it's 9th of April, and like always, we're going to discuss the most interesting topics that happened with ScandiPWA project during the last week. Today we are going to check the updated ScandiPWA documentation, the new video tutorial that we released just recently, as well as we are going to check the ScandiPWA user guide. So, without further ado, let's begin. So our first topic for today is the updated documentation. We have released the updated docs earlier this week, and it is still same helpful content, but with a brand new look and some fresh design. So as you can see, this is how the updated page looks like. The content is now divided into several sections, so it has a better structure and you can easier navigate and find the information you're looking for. And for example, if you're interested in how to install the theme, I'm going to demonstrate this. So I'm going to open the installation section, which is then divided by 3 logical subsections. And for example, if you're interested in existing Magento 2 instance, how to install ScandiPWA theme on your existing Magento 2 instance, then you will be able to access this section and you will immediately find the step-by-step instructions. And also, if there is a dedicated video that we filmed for and covering this particular topic, you will find this video in the relevant section, so you can not only follow the step-by-step process, but also watch the videos and go through the process together with our dev leads, as well as leverage some insights and advices shared by them in the videos. And as I mentioned in our previous community sessions, we have released a lot of new videos lately, so all these videos will be also added, actually already added to the documentation. So make sure to open our updated docs and check this information. And the link is the same, docs.scandipwa.com. You will also find this link in the description section below. So, start to move to our second topic for today. We have a new video tutorial released recently, and this video tutorial is covering one very important topic: how to install the ScandiPWA theme on your existing Magento 2 server. We know that this video was anticipated by a lot of you guys, and we've received multiple questions related to the theme installation on existing server. So we hope you will really enjoy and find this video helpful for you. You will be able to find this video in our documentation that I just recently shared with you in the previous section, or also on ScandiPWA YouTube channel. So here on our YouTube channel, you can navigate to ScandiPWA webinars for developers. You will see the freshly uploaded video, and if you open this video, you will see a detailed breakdown. As you see, this video is covering all possible aspects, starting from the requirements, then how to check that the prerequisites are actually met and you can proceed with the installation, and of course covering the full theme installation process. There are timestamps added, so you can easily follow the process and if needed go back to a section that you are particularly struggling with or have some additional questions with. And as you see, in 22 minutes we are covering the full process, starting from checking if your prerequisites are met to the theme successful installation, and showcasing how it works. So in if you have everything ready, then in 22 minutes or so you will be able to install the ScandiPWA theme by following these instructions. and we hope you will find this video tutorial helpful for you. And the third topic that we are going to discuss today is ScandiPWA user guide. Recently we are talking with a lot of different merchants, and of course every business is different, and every business requires different features. Every website requires different features, and one of the most popular questions we're asked is if this particular feature already supported by ScandiPWA theme, or is this feature in our roadmap and will be supported. So we find it really helpful for every merchant to be able to access this information and see the current corresponding status to features they are interested in, as well as see the general state of ScandiPWA project, what is done already and what will be released in the upcoming future. So there's a user guide, and everyone is able to access this information, and right now I'm going to demonstrate you and show you a couple of examples. So in order to access the ScandiPWA user guide, simply navigate to our website and click the PWA user manual. You will be redirected to the ScandiPWA user guide, and here you can find basically any particular topic you are interested in and see the up-to-date status as well as some instructions. And for example, if you are looking for if your particular business and your site requires some virtual products, and you're looking for the if virtual products are already supported by ScandiPWA, you can open this section, and you can actually open the creating products section to see all the available types and the statuses. And for virtual products, you can also access the dedicated page where you can see the current status, some basic information, as well as video tutorial. So this video tutorials doesn't require any developers help and coding skills. You can set up everything by just following this video without any technical knowledge. It can be set up by you from your ScandiPWA backend, and this video will show you how to manage virtual products in a simple to follow video tutorial. So in this user guide you will be able to find every part of ScandiPWA theme covered, and if you are thinking about using the theme for your project, or you're talking with your agency, you're talking with your developers, you can access and leverage this information, and we are doing our best to keep it up to date. So this is all that I wanted to share with you today. Thank you for your attention, and see you next time. Bye.